So this question is the mixture of ethanol and methanol. After it's burned, it's produced 35 cm3 of CO2 and 55 cm3 of H2O. And this one is happen at 101 kilopascal and 120 degrees C. So means the CO2 and H2O conform in the gas form. Okay, so now what is the molar ratio between ethanol and methanol which able to produce these two amount of gas? So first you need to construct the balance equation for the combustion of methanol and ethanol, and after that you try to use these two equations and get the correct answer. Okay, so let's say we want to try the first one, A. So we just try to put because it's 1 to 3 ratio, so for this one, okay, so for ethanol methanol 1 to 2 ratio, let's say 1 to 3 ratio, we try to make it 10, maybe 10, and this one let's say therefore is 30. So if we use 10 cm3 of ethanol, it can form 20 cm3 of the CO2, and the methanol will form 30 cm3 of CO2. We sum it up, we get 50. 50 is not really a similar ratio with the 35 cm3 of CO2. So this is not the answer. And if let's say now we try to use the D, ethanol and methanol ratio is 3 to 1. Okay, 3 to 1. Okay, let's say we make it 30 right here, and this one is 10. So 30 cm3 of the ethanol will form 60 cm3 of CO2. 10 cm3 of methanol will form 10 cm3 of CO2. Okay, if we sum up these two, we get 70. Okay, even though 70 is not 35 here, but we know that when it's halved, so it's 35, means when it's halved, it's 35, isn't it? That's why we can actually use 15 and 5 instead of 30 and 10. When we use 15, 5, this and this, the CO2 that produced from the ethanol is 30. And the CO2 from methanol is 5. So we sum up this 30 plus 5, so we get 35. If we try to use the same ratio to get the water volume of H2O, okay, water vapor. Okay, so 3 or 30 cm3 will form 90 cm3 of H2O from the ethanol combustion. 10 cm3 will form 20 from methanol, combustion of methanol. If now we try to halve it again, let's say we use 5, so we will get 10. If we use 15, we get 45, it's 3 times. So we sum up these two, we get 55. So is meet the requirement or the statement, okay, in the question. The CO2 total is 35 cm3 and the H2O total is 55 cm cube. That's why answer is D.